am AI character generated with cutting-edge tools like Midjourney, a platform that creates AI characters from a set of supplied data. For animation of character, DID website is used as well as to generate AI voice-over to the character. If you want to master these skills, then follow step-by-step process in this video. Welcome to our tutorial on how to generate AI characters with Midjourney, one of the most powerful tools in the field of artificial intelligence. With Midjourney, you can easily create your own unique AI characters with just a few clicks. In order to create AI character, go to Midjourney website. Sign up or log in your account. Join the beta. Then accept the invite. Go to New Buys. Write script with or imagine. Scroll and check AI image is generated. Save image. For generating voiceover and character animation, go to the DID website by sign up. Go to Create Video. Add AI image download from Midjourney. Write the script with the help of ChatGPT, or you can also write by yourself. Export the video. I am AI character generated with cutting-edge tools like Midjourney, a platform that creates AI characters from a set of supplied data.
So what are you waiting for? Visit midjourney.com today to start generating your own unique AI characters and d-id.com editor for animation of character and voiceover. If you like this video, then do subscribe and share with others. See you soon. Bye bye.